Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a customized gradient text on a CapCut PC. So select like a color for the background and select other colors on top of that, and you're just going to want to layer them on top of each other like so, and you're just going to keep layering them until you are pleased with the color choices that you have. Let's add another purple, and I'm just going to add a pink here, like up there, something like that. Then you're going to select the first color, which is this one. Go to mask and select split and rotate it. Actually, don't rotate it. Bring it down and feather it out. Then you're going to again do the same thing to the second one. So bring this down and feather it out. And then again here, split, bring this down and feather it out. Then on this one, split, bring it down and feather it out. And hopefully you can do this for the last one. Or not. Okay, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more and then bring the line up and then feather it out. Okay, now once you're done, this is if you want it to be inside of a text. I'm just going to right click and create compound clip so it's easier for me to edit. So press Ctrl A and then create compound clip, and then go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in gradient, and I'm going to change the font of it to this one. You can also leave it like this as a background, or you can go to media, go to library and add in a black background. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and add it on top of the gradient. Go to basic, blend mode, and choose darken. You can't really see every bit. You have to like really adjust it so you can see all the gradients, or you can go here and kind of scale it down a little bit if you can. I don't think you can because you've already made it into a compound clip. Well, I think actually you can, but like you have to like really scale it down to see all of the colors. You can probably copy and paste this, to be honest. So like here, I'm just going to right click copy and then right click paste on top and move it to the side, and then again copy and then paste so you can see all the colors of the gradient like so. Let me just adjust it a little bit more so it's okay. There you go. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!